Hello everyone, welcome to week 9 for BCOM 3113. Just a very brief update, make sure we're all on the same page. Obviously if you look at the content for this week, we have a pretty light week. That's good. We've had several things eating up your time for this class the last few weeks, and now I and our intrepid graduate teaching assistants have the job of grading all that stuff. So please bear with us as we work through it. We're also in the process still of moving. They've kind of changed the dates of when they were going to move me into the new business building, those of you on campus. So it's an exciting time here in Stillwater in the Spear School. So anyway, make sure that you participate in the Discussion 3 assignment. That's the only new thing this week other than the extra credit assignment. So I've started to look at some of the statistics and reports for this course. We're at the halfway point and have noticed that, the watching of these videos and lecture videos and participation in a lot of the daily work or weekly work and homework and that kind of thing has gone down dramatically. Obviously, that is going to create issues for those of you that are in those scenarios. So, I encourage you to reach out if you're having problems. Communicate with me. There's not a lot I can do for you if you wait till dead week or finals week to reach out to me for the very first time. So if you are having issues with that, please just communicate with me. I'll work with you as best I can. And real important to this discussion assignment this week, I think it's really a good one. It's Simon Sinek, who is kind of a leadership guru. He's one of the thought leaders in business these days. But it's one of those things that can be very beneficial to you. It asks you to think about your why. Why is it that you want to do what it is that you're working toward being in school right now? Always a good idea to contemplate those things in life occasionally. So as always, reach out to me with any questions, and I hope you enjoy next week off for spring break.